We've recently been talking with clients about how they can best balance their workshop loading. A shortage in technicians is not uncommon, and with holiday season coming up and the September plate change, which will increase the pressure on workshops, we were looking at tactical opportunities for marketing departments to help the workshops balance the load. One tactical solution is to consider an MOT Call Forward campaign. So we conducted some consumer research just to see what that opportunity looks like in a broader sense. Of the 1,000 respondents that we surveyed, 50% of those people didn't actually realise that you could have your MOT test done up to 30 days before the due date. And 60% of those that responded said they would welcome the opportunity to have their MOT test done well in advance. So with this in mind, there's a clear opportunity for workshops to bring some of those appointments forward and spread that work throughout the summer months. By pulling August MOTs into July and September MOTs into August, that frees up capacity in the workshop for that crucial September plate change. We're already planning with a number of clients to run these MOT pull forward campaigns. This might also include additional discounts, supporting social media activity where we can target those people that have an MOT due through our dynamic custom audiences. We can also supplement those MOT reminders with a safety recall notification, either to check on gov.uk if they have a recall outstanding, or if you wanted to be more specific, we can do a detailed safety recall audit for you, which would enable us to send different creative to those customers that do have a safety recall versus those that don't. For franchise workshops, safety recall is a great way to reactivate lapsed customers, but also to secure that MOT work at the same time. And with our MOT box solution, which cross-references your DMS due date with the DVSA, you're guaranteed to be contacting the customer at the right time. So if you're looking at how you can balance your workshop loading over the summer months, get in touch with the team and we'll come up with a strategy that suits you, your business, and of course, your customers.